Hello and welcome to my little farmhouse on the northern plains of Iowa. It is a beautiful afternoon here today. The leaves are slowly beginning to turn, the air is beginning to change, and it's the perfect time to slow down, gently reap what once was sown from the garden. Add a few extra autumn touches to my home, and for dinner tonight I'm making roasted beets and carrots with Italian flat leaf parsley and feta cheese, along with homegrown cherry tomatoes with fresh mozzarella and basil. So as always, I'm so glad you're here with me today. I'm hoping all is well, and just really hope this visit helps you gain a sense of calm and coziness like a gentle breath of fresh autumn air. So go ahead and pour yourself a cup of tea, settle in, and let's spend this pre-autumn day together here at my home, the Carriage House. So I just finished adding little lights to my olive tree, and now I'm outside in my garden and basically just looking at what's ready to be pulled, what's ready to be picked, and then going to make dinner with what's going to be harvested today. So I didn't quite know what I was going to make, but then I became quickly inspired after peeking in the garden. September seems to be the month not only of harvest, but of gratitude, when the garden whispers its final offerings before the quiet of fall. And the hush of September in the garden is like a slow exhale, a pause between summer's abundance and autumn's rest. So I just finished washing my beets. They're golden beets and they have this beautiful striping in the middle. I'll show you in a minute, but they are huge, by the way. But now I'm gonna wash my carrots, going to peel, chop them up, gonna roast them and make them into that dish that I was telling you about. But this would be perfect for autumn time. But basically I love to flavor the beets and carrots with kosher salt and extra virgin olive oil. I don't like to put pepper on food before I roast them just because it can leave a slightly bitter taste to it. So I always add fresh ground pepper at the very end when I'm about to serve dinner. Okay, so let's go ahead and get this all put together.
I will get close to your heartache if you want to open your door. I'm feeling kinda lost when your mind is hiding whatever that is choking your chest. I can see it in your eyes that you're shaking 'cause you're holding it back. Maybe you'll make up your mind now. I'm here by your side, so let it
golden beets and carrots are smelling heavenly right now in this kitchen while roasting in the oven. I wish you could be here and smell this. Smell the scent. Beets have this sweet, earthy aroma that intensifies when roasted. But moving on to making the beautiful caprese salad with the fresh basil and cherry tomatoes from the garden.
Getting lost is time not wasted, as long as it's with you. Unknown roads and foreign places that we're traveling through. We could drive round in circles, any place will do. Endless days and fields of purple in our car's review, and crowds are always few, and I get lost with you. We'll stray away from the avenue. Stray away from the avenue. Getting lost is time not wasted, as long as it's with you.